ॐ समिद्धाग्निं धुवस्यत घृतैर्बोधयतातिथिम् अस्मिन् हव्याजुहोतना स्वाहा. Namaste to all. This is a very beautiful Yajurveda mantra 12 by 30. This mantra we chant every day in Agnihotra. Maharishi Dhananji has written a very wonderful bhavarth for this mantra. He says, मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि सत्पुरुषों की ही सेवा करें और सुपात्रों को ही दान दिया करें. Means, just trying to translate in English, Maharishi says that we must, मनुष्यों को चाहिए, we must, all the human beings, what we must do? We must do seva, service to Satpurush. Whoever is Satpurush in our, Satpurush means those people who follow Satya Dharma, those people who adopt Vedas in their life. We must try to do service to those people. Satpurushon की ही सेवा करें. और सुपात्र, जो सुपात्र है, सुपात्र ही को दान दिया करें. Supatra means those who are eligible to receive donation. Dan means donation. We must do donation to those people who are in a position or who are capable to receive donation. Today what we do? Today we do donation to those people who are not Ved Vidwan, those people who are not Satpurush, those people who does not know ABC of Vedic Dharma. We do donation. We give. Today crores of people are following anti-Vedic gurus. And Paramatma says in this mantra, see, he says, जैसे अग्नि में घी आदि पदार्थों का हवन करके संसार का उपकार करते हैं, जैसे हवन में घी आदि, just like we put ghee, we put samagri, you see ghee here, samagri, we put samagri, and we put in samagri also lot of herbs are mixed. जैसे अग्नि में घी आदि पदार्थों का हवन करके संसार का उपकार करते हैं. When we do homa, this homa does not only help me. I am doing homa now, I just finished homa now. It not only helps me, it helps the entire universe. And सारे संसार का उपकार करते हैं. This havan does benefit to entire universe. Similarly, विद्वानों में उत्तम पदार्थों का दान करके, see, havan kund is equated to a vidwan. When we do dhan of ahutis, see, even when you put ahutis, do not throw ahutis. We must do dhan. Like you do dhan to an acharya, you must do dhan of ahutis. Similarly, this havan kund is equated to a vidwan. Like you do ahutis in homakunda, give dhan to an acharya who is a vidwan, Ved Vidwan. Vidwanon mein uttam padarth, and also don't give donation in tuch bhavana, and don't give those donations which are not useful to you. Like, in Upanishad there is a statement, whatever is priya to you, like you love dhan very much, you love money in the bank very much, whatever you love, you must do donation to acharya. You love clothing very much, donate a very best clothing to acharya. Clothing in the sense, acharya is a sannyasi normally. If acharya is in grahastha ashrama, suitable clothes must be donated. If he is a sannyasi, suitable clothes must be donated. Best clothing, best dhan, uttam dhan. And also don't do kanjusi in doing dana. Like you are earning 1 lakh rupees a month, you are in a position to donate 5,000 a month, don't donate 500. उत्तम पदार्थ का डोनेशन दान देना चाहिए. तो like we show respect to homakunda, we must show more respect to acharya. Then what happens? विद्वानों में उत्तम पदार्थों का दान करके जगत में, then what happens? When we do दान, when we do donation to acharya, the result is very wonderful. The result is what? जगत में विद्या और अच्छी शिक्षा को बढ़ा के विश्व को सुखी करे. The result of donation to an acharya is only 2 things or 3 things. विद्या और अच्छी शिक्षा के को बढ़ाया करे. Vidya will grow in this world. Vidya means Ved Vidya will grow in this world when we donate to acharya. And similarly, Achhi Shiksha. Apart from Ved Vidya, that Shiksha, whatever is the learnings, teachings which we must follow in our life, that also will start following. Acharya will help us to, he will guide us to follow those Shiksha of Vedas in our life. Thereby, the result will be Vishwa ko Sukhi kare. The result will be Sukh across the world. When we put ahutis in the burning fire, it will establish sukh in the world. Similarly, when we do donation to Acharya, and here Acharya does not mean any Tom, Dick, any person. No. Today, anybody ABC, Tom, Dick and Harry has become Acharya today, unfortunately. But we must give donation only to Acharya who are yogis, who are tapasvis, like my Acharya. Great Ved Vidwan, great philosopher of Vedas, great tapasvi, always involved, always indulged in promoting Vedic Dharma to the world. Such kind of acharyas we must search and then do donation. There are other acharyas also, maybe similar to my acharya. There are other acharyas who are promoting Ved Vidya, who are in tapasya. We must try to find out those acharyas and do dan to them. Then what happens? Vidya or अच्छी शिक्षा बढ़ता है संसार में. The Vidya will grow in this world. Vedic Dharma will grow in world. And अच्छी शिक्षा means people will become good people. People will not become culprit. People will not cheat others. People will leave all the criminal activities. Why? Because of the power of Acharya, power of Ved Vidya. So मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि सत्पुरुषों की ही सेवा करें. Let's not do service to anybody else who is not Satpurush. Satpurush means even normal person who is a good person, we can do service to them. If you know somebody is a good person, do service to them. If you know some organization is a very good or pious organization, they are trying to promote Vedas, they are trying to protect our holy cow, they are trying to protect our Sanatan Dharma, and they are trying to do tapasya, they are trying to establish yoga abhyas, etc., etc. For them you can do service. Go there, go to their ashram, go do service to Gomata, it's okay, no issues. सत्पुरुषों को सेवा करो और विद्व सुपात्रों को दान दो. The person supatra means that person who is eligible to receive donation. Acharya is eligible to receive donation. अधिकार है आचार्य को, अधिकार है. परमात्मा ने इस मंत्र में परमात्मा ने स्वयं बताया. परमात्मा has told himself that आचार्य को दान करो. And that means don't do donation to other people who call themselves as Acharya but they do not know ABC of Vedas. They do not know ABC of Ashtanga Yoga philosophy. Today, I was seeing another person, so-called Acharya. He's promoting Hatha Yoga and crores of people are following Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is against Vedas, nobody knows. Hatha Yoga is against Sanatana Dharma, nobody knows. Hatha Yoga is not as per Vedic Ved Vidya and Yoga Sutra, nobody knows. But he promotes Hatha Yoga left, right and center and people are donating crores of money to him. Such person will establish dukh in this world. Such people, such acharyas who are so-called acharyas will establish dukh in this world. He cannot give sukh in this world. And that's why this world is becoming dukhi every day. Why? Because we are not serving acharyas. We are serving anacharyas. We are serving those people who are anti-Vedic people. Because we do not know at all. Nobody knows that Hatha Yoga is against Vedas. Nobody knows. So it is our if you know, it is your responsibility to tell to other people. By softly, Hatha Yoga nahi karna chahiye. Ashtanga Yoga philosophy we must follow. We must follow Patanjali Yoga Sutras. We must follow Veda Vidya. We must go to acharyas who promotes Vedas. Like that we must try to explain to others. So this is extremely important Veda mantra. And this mantra, Samida Agnim, Susamida Duvasyata Griteira Bhudayata Atitim. Every day we chant this mantra when we light the fire in the Homakunda. So Paramatma is giving such an important advice to all of us, that this Homakunda and Acharya are same. As much as Shraddha you have on doing Havan, you must have more Shraddha to Atithis, to Acharyas, to Yogis, to Tapasvis. Similarly, when you give Dan in the Homakunda, give it with utmost respect. Similarly, give your Dan to Acharyas with utmost respect. Thereby, this sansar will become sukhi. Very, very important Veda mantra. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.